Today, we are going to learn all about the magic of elastic bands. Hello, young inventors. Have you ever played with a rubber band? They might seem simple, but these stretchy, bouncy loops hold a secret power: elasticity. Elasticity is a special property that allows some materials to stretch and then return to their original shape. Think of a spring. It stretches and snaps back. Rubber bands are made from natural rubber, which comes from rubber trees, or from synthetic rubber. Both are super stretchy. When you pull a rubber band, you are storing energy in it. This is called potential energy, just like a stretched spring. Let go, and boing! The rubber band snaps back, releasing that stored energy. This is kinetic energy, the energy of motion. This amazing property makes elastic bands useful for so many things. Do you know some? We use them to hold things together, like a stack of papers or a bunch of flowers. They keep our hair neat in ponytails, too. They can also help us launch things. Make a simple catapult with a stick and a rubber band to see how far a tiny pebble can fly. Did you know elastic bands are used in clothing? The waistbands of our pants and the cuffs of our sleeves often have elastic inside. Even doctors use them. Tiny elastic bands can help move teeth into the right place when you wear braces. So, the next time you see a simple rubber band, remember its amazing magic. It is not just a loop. It is a tiny powerhouse of elasticity. From holding things together to helping us play, elastic bands are truly magical in their stretchy, springy ways. What will you discover next with them?